Hi, we're Girl Scouts.
We made cat scratching posts for the SPCA.
And now we'd like to show you how to do it. First you'll need wood for the top and bottom. And some sort of post.
And some carpet. Once you have all your materials, you'll start by covering the base with carpet.
Our base was 17 inches square.
Make sure you cut a hole in your carpet for the post.
Arrgh, and make sure you use carpet tacks to attach it to the base, matey. Arrgh!
Knock, knock, ding dong, hello. I don't even remember anything.
Then we attach this 2-foot 2x4
To the space. With screws!
Use this for the outside of the post.
We got these free at Lowe's. Hey!
Because it was the inside of a carpet roll. Next we covered the post
With 3/8 inch sisal rope.
There you go.
Now we cover the top.
With carpet. Our top was 1 foot square.
You're doing something with it.
Wood.
Then we attach the top.
To that there wooden post inside. With screws.
What we want to do is just
And it's done!
Ta-da! You can do it.
Hi, we're Girl Scouts.
Then we
You got these 3 free.
now we cover the top Now we cover the top.
with carpet. Wait, are we filming? No, we're not.